most important asked questions and myths about the vaccination. If you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do the same right now. That's the first myth that people are asking and talking about the vaccine. Would I get affected by coronavirus if I take the vaccine? Still, would I be affected by the coronavirus? The question here would be answered in a simple manner. First, let's try to understand what is the purpose of this vaccine. The purpose of this vaccine is not actually a complete prevention of the disease, but to reduce the impact of the disease on you. The vaccines that have been administered, Covishield and Covaxin, have shown that people have tested positive even after taking the vaccine. But the most important thing to realize is that none of them have been heavily affected by COVID or have reached hospitalized state and have died. So very important to understand, the impact of COVID will be reduced comparatively very high when you take the vaccine. So it's not something that will stop you from taking the vaccine, but it will keep you safe from hospitalization and harsh effects. Coming to another question that people ask us, that can we alter the doses, or if I've taken the first vaccine as Covaxin, can I take the second one, Covishield? Coming to the dosages, these are recommended by a lot of scientific research, so I would recommend you to stick to the doses recommended at this point of time. 0 to 28 for Covaxin, 0 to 42 for the second dose in terms of Covishield. Talking about the taking of different two vaccines, it does not make sense at all, and you're recommended only to take the same vaccine that you have taken in the first place. Another important question is that should I continue to do sanitization and masks even when I am vaccinated? I've already answered that previously. You are supposed to do all the things that you were supposed to do previously before the vaccine as well. The vaccine is going to reduce the impact of COVID if you contract it. So vaccination and sanitation is mandatory even when you would continue to get your vaccine. Side effects, there are a lot of news as well as information about blood clots regarding Covishield in the UK region. Talking about side effects in terms of Sputnik 5, people have spoken about very low side effects. But in India, what has been observed that Covaxin and Covishield have not resulted in any major side effects resulting into death or hospitalization of individuals. Thus, I would suggest to you at the end of this video is that if you get an opportunity to take the vaccine whenever possible, please do take it. Do not be in a rat race to rush in, but be patient, be calm. When your time arrives, take it and do not become choosy. It's not a mall, it is life and death situation. So please do take your vaccines, whatever is available in your region. Don't make a fuss about it. Thank you so much. If you learned a lot about all the three vaccines, then please do consider sharing this video with all your friends and subscribing to our channel. All this information is for educational as well as awareness purpose. Any medical decision that you want to take, please consult your medical practitioner. Thank you so much and bye-bye.